Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Novak off campus is hiring freshers and the job role for that is software engineer trainee. So we shall see the job details. So the job role, it is software engineer trainee. So they are hiring for different roles. It can be SQL or MySQL and then Android as well as ASP.NET developer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is 0 to 6 months. So 0 to 6 years of experience. And the next thing is location. So the job location, it is Belapur Navy, that is Mumbai. And the salary of the CTC, it is 15,000 during the training and post completion of training. So the initial salary for the freshers, it is 3.3 lakhs per annum. And for the experienced graduates, the salary varies, and that too based on your interview performance, salary varies. So initial salary for the fresher, it is 3.3 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the eligibility criteria, so qualification needed, it is for B or BTech or BCA or BSc or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and the streams or the specialization, so any streams are eligible to apply, and any year of pass out, and the percentage, it should be minimum passing percentage, and the candidates who have participated in the drive so before 6 months, so they are not allowed for the for this drive. So the next thing is different job roles they're hiring is, first one is the MySQL developer, then Android developer as well as ASP.NET developer. So we shall see the skills for each roles in detail. So the first thing is role 1, which is SQL or MySQL. So for that you need to have knowledge of MS SQL or MySQL, and also you should be able to write the queries, and also you need to have knowledge of SQL as well as Linux commands, and also good knowledge of object oriented programming and data structures and algorithms, and also debugging and error handling skills. So if you have done any of the certification courses regarding SQL domain, so it's an added advantage for the job role. So the role 2, it's an Android developer. So for this you need to have knowledge of Android SDK, that is software development kit, and after that you need to have familiarity with the REST APIs, and also strong knowledge of Android UI design, so principles and patterns as well as best practices. So if you have done any of the projects related to any roles, it can be SQL, Android or .NET which you are opting. So you can mention the projects also. So the next thing is the role 3, which is ASP.NET developer. So for that the skills needed are, you need to like you should develop the software applications using the languages and the technologies of .NET as well as frameworks, and also you need to have knowledge of SDLC, that is software development life cycle, and also knowledge of object oriented programming, CH.NET, so ASP.NET, JavaScript as well as jQuery and SQL. So these are the skills that are needed for the role 3. So coming to the application link, it's a Google document form. So you need to fill the details like your name, and there are three different roles: Android developer, so MySQL as well as ASP.NET. You need to choose one among that, and your contact number and your email ID, and after that educational qualification you need to enter the percentage 10th, 12th as well as graduation, and after that your experience, you can choose fresher. If you have 1 year of experience you can choose that, or 1 to 3 years of experience. So if you have done any of the certification courses, and you can mention the project experience, so based on the roles you have chosen. And if you have done certification courses on any roles, you can mention S, and you can mention the institute from where you have done the certification courses, and annual CTC if you are experienced you can mention that. If you are fresher you can leave it blank, and after that if you have attended for the recruitment process in last 6 months, you can mention yes, else you can mention no, and you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.